Hey guys, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to know when I'm going to upload new videos. And don't forget to thumbs up or thumbs down, either one, doesn't matter to me. So today's video is going to be a new one for me, and it's going to be a lip swatch. So one of my favorite brands that you guys hear me talk about all the time has launched a new velvet lipstick. And I'm all about comfort. I hate liquid lipsticks that dry down and look all cracky and awful. And I feel like if you have to finesse them and use chapsticks and lip balms to make them work, why waste your money? Things are high enough as it is. You shouldn't have to buy other products to make that product work or feel comfortable enough to wear it. So, the brand that I'm talking about is AOA from Shop Miss A. And they came out with 9. I've got these 4 each in each hand and one more laying here. And I got every one of them. But they came out with this new line, and it's the Velvet Lips. And they have got such pretty colors. So it says the Velvet Liquid Lips, or the Velvet Lip Liquids lipstick contains a rich, creamy formula that does not dry down. This long wear makeup bag must-have has a non-greasy matte finish that moisturizes your lips while giving you a vibrant color payoff. Part of the proceeds go to protect animals against animal abuse, and each one of these are $1.55. So, you cannot beat $1.55 for the formula. And they do feel so velvety soft. I've wore a couple of these all day long, and they're not kiss proof, and they're not absolutely long wear, but they are longer wear than what a regular lipstick normally is. Okay, so I'm just going to start going down through the line here in no particular order. It's not going to go light to dark or anything like that. I'm just going to pick one up and go. I know I don't have big, luscious, beautiful lips like most YouTubers, but sorry, I was going to get rid of that gum. But these are my lips, what we have to deal with today, so let's just do the thing, okay? Okay, so we're going to start out bold here, and this one is Luma. It's got your standard teardrop doe foot. It's arched with easier application. That is a pretty color. Now, when I was in high school, this would have been an everyday jam for me. I would have put a black on the edges and just put this in the center, and off I'd have went. But this is Luna. Okay, and it does transfer whenever you, but see, it still wears so nicely. It helps just get all the color off. My lips are going to be so mad after this. Okay, the next one that I have is Harper. And it looks like an orangey red. It may just be a pure orange. Same doe foot. Oh yeah, it's just an orange. And I know this is not the cleanest application. I'm just throwing it on to so you can see the color. It's not about the application, okay? But these doe foots are all, so far that I've tried, they are very sturdy. They feel very, luxe. Even the component itself, I mean, it's nice. So there's that. But this is that color, and it's so pretty, I think. I think they'll be all right. The next color is Sabrina, and it's going to be similar to the first one, but not quite as much berry. It's got more red than berry. Mmm. That is beautiful. See how opaque it is too? You can make it as dark as you want. This one I think will be best worn with a lip liner. Just to keep the lines clean. And to keep that color even underneath it. Because where they are that velvety texture, they do move when you push them around. But that color is gorgeous. Okay. The next one is Aira. This is a beautiful color. Sorry. Oh, how gorgeous. I love that. And again, that is Aira. The next one is Reese. That's really pretty too. And if you notice, each time I'm only dipping in once. They're very colorful. They're very opaque. I like it. So the next one, Riley. I know I'm wiping all my foundation away from my mouth, but you can't stay clean around the mouth when you're doing lip swatches. Oh, that is gorgeous. This with a little bit darker lip liner or a chocolatey lip liner and fade them into one another. It would be so pretty. Next is Lana. This is your Ready Brown. That is a gorgeous color. I just like them all. They're all so wearable, I feel. Okay, last two. This is Chris with a K. That's pretty. I love a pinky tone color, so that's why I love all of these. They're all in my kinds of tones. And the last one is Claire. Claire's one that I've wore all day before. It's one of my favorites. It's just that perfect nude, I think. I love it. So, like I said, there are 9 in total. I don't know if they're going to come out with more or what. But they are $1.55, or you can buy the whole bundle. And I think the whole bundle was like $12, something like that. And as you can see, that where I kissed my hand, it stained that. I mean, it's staying. So you get coverage that stays for a while on the lips. It's not just there 1 minute and then gone. It does hang around. And if you're wondering what I'm putting on the Fenty powder. And I mean, for $1.55, I mean, my goodness, you can't beat that. Put me some chapstick on, because my whips are feeling it. But I mean, you cannot beat this formula for the price at all. So I will link the website down below, but it's called Shop Miss A, and it'll pop up, and you can just go to the AOA, go to makeup and AOA and lips, and these will come up. So I also have a couple of their liquid lipsticks if you would like me to show those. I do plan on doing a full face from their site pretty soon, so that'll be coming up, and one of those liquid lipsticks will probably make a debut in that. But they reformulated their liquid lipsticks, and they are a lot better. They used to be very chemically smelly, but they've really fixed them. So I will be doing, like I said, that dedicated full face of using nothing but something from Shop Miss A. So that's coming up. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's my first lip swatching, so I hope it went okay. And I will see you guys in my next video. God bless. Love you.